Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richie Man. In fact, guys, Javi to Chelsea is happening. It's happening, guys. Javi dream is to play in the Premier League. And Simon's dream is to play for Chelsea. In the Premier League, the team that he is supporting is Chelsea. So currently, as we are speaking, Chelsea and Leipzig are having talks. This is the information, guys. Breaking in the last hours, RB Leipzig and Chelsea have started club-to-club talks. Chelsea have informed Leipzig that they want to sign Javi, and Leipzig now expect their first offer soon. Chelsea want to move quickly to stay ahead of other clubs. Let's see if Bayern respond, as Bayern have held calls about Javi today to understand his situation. Javi club-to-club very soon. Chelsea working fast and working quick. Good relationship between clubs, discussing salary with Simon. Any movement now, personal terms could be done. Chelsea and Javi are getting closer and a verbal agreement is near. Talks also took place with Leipzig yesterday, with more scheduled for today. They are waiting for an offer. Leipzig are simultaneously working on a deal for Chukwuemeka. So guys, that is the latest information for Javi. Now it is looking like it will happen. Yes, maybe today or tomorrow it will be here we go. Javi to Chelsea. The issue will be that if the guy didn't want to join Chelsea, but the player wants Chelsea, he wants the move. So that is why the encouragement is there, the belief is there, he is coming to Chelsea. And what is Javi bringing to Chelsea, guys? First of all, next season, Chelsea will play in so many competitions. Champions League, to compete in the Premier League, maybe possibly win the FA Cup, maybe possibly win the Carabao Cup. So many important big competitions. So for that matter, Chelsea need a squad depth. So Simon coming to Chelsea, he is coming to add that squad depth so that Chelsea can compete very well in each competition we are going to participate next season. So first of all, he is bringing that squad depth. And also, we can have same squad playing Premier League, playing FA Cup, playing Champions League. We need that squad depth. Yes, in case we have FA Cup, yes, we can change 2 or 3 or 5 players and still maintain that competition, still maintain that good football. And also, he is coming to ease the pressure from Cole Palmer. This season, we saw it in some games. Cole Palmer were tired, yes, but there wasn't anybody, a super sub to come and take over from Cole Palmer. So Javi also coming to Chelsea. He is coming to ease little bit pressure from Cole Palmer. Yes, some days, even some Premier League games, we need to rest Cole Palmer. Yes, some games are, let me say, well defined or already win. Yeah, some games in the Premier League, you can look at your team form and predict it and say that even this game, if Cole Palmer don't play, we are winning. So that case, in case Cole Palmer is not playing, we have someone like Javi who can replace Cole Palmer well. And this Javi signing, I'm seeing it to be Kudus replacement. Yes, Kudus signing replacement. Just wanted to use that replacement for Kudus, but Kudus wanted that playing time regularly. And Cole Palmer, actually, nobody can bench him as we are speaking now. In world football, nobody, no attacking midfielder or winger can bench Cole Palmer. Any team that Cole Palmer go, he is starting. So yes, I understand where Kudus was coming from, because Charlie, it can't happen. No. And also, Javi can play as a winger, the left wing position and the right wing position, any day that we don't have our wingers available. Yes, he is a versatile player. We can send him to the right wing position. Yellow cards are there, suspensions are there, injuries are there, sickness are there. So many things are there in football. So in case any of these our wingers are not available, Javi is available. He will be available to take one. So guys, these are the things Javi will bring to Chelsea if Chelsea sign him. Yes, this signing, it is not bad. He is 22 years of age. Yes, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about Javi coming to Chelsea. Yes, do you like this signing? And before we move to the next topic, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And guys, I have something to give you. Yes, we are selling Chelsea jerseys here. Yes, the one I'm wearing, this one, this is our away jersey. It is available here. Yeah, so if you want it, as you are seeing on the screen, the number is on the screen, the jersey, both the home and away. Every jersey, even outside Chelsea, United jersey, Barcelona jersey, even Palmeiras jersey, any jersey that you want. Yes, there's number on the screen and the email. Please, you can contact me through WhatsApp. Yes, or even a text. Yes, each price for each jersey is 130 Ghana cedi. Bako pe. 130 Ghana city. You can convert it to your country currency, or if you are staying in Ghana, yes, 130 Ghana city. Yes, for one JC. Yes, so that is the price. You can contact us. Yes, we'll package it and send it to you anywhere you locate. Yes, so please, all JCs are there. Even if you don't want to buy our current JC, any JC that you want to buy, you can ask through the number. We'll check and see if we have it here, so that we'll deliver it to you. And as I said, one JC is 130 Ghana city. One JC is 130 Ghana city. Thank you. Let's come to our transfers, guys. Kenechukwu Wemeka, RB Leipzig interested to sign him. This is the information, guys. Exclusively, RB Leipzig are now pushing to sign Kenechukwu Wemeka. Leipzig have opened talks over the 21-year-old central midfielder from Chelsea. Further steps are planned for Wednesday. Leipzig have now also been informed that Chelsea want to sign Javi Simon. RB Leipzig are prepared to sell. A verbal agreement between Javi and Chelsea is close, but not 100% done yet. Yes, the agreement is all about his salary, his wages for Javi. And for Kenny, I like this transfer because for Dortmund, they came back with a loan. Dortmund came back with a loan. Can you believe this? Look at how they use the guy. Instead of them to bring the money and sign him, they are calling for a loan. No. Now we want to have a serious business, serious negotiation. So guys, now RB Leipzig want to sign him. And this thing, I don't want to say it like the way Chelsea did for Gallagher, Javi and Gallagher, and Kernan and one player we did that last season. And this season we were to do that with Rogers. But UEFA said they would, after the business or after that transfer, to see if there's not any inflated price. They also wanted to do that with Rogers and Nicola Jackson. Yes, but this one, it is looking like that. But I don't want to believe it. So guys, RB Leipzig interested to sign Kenechukwu Wemeka. Yes, for a replacement for Javi Simon. Yes, that is the case. They just want to get a replacement for Javi Simon. And that is good. That is good for Chelsea because Kenny, this guy, I even wish Chelsea can give him playing time. But it can't happen. Look at our midfield, overcrowded. So that is the issue. Kernan is a good player. The way he is moving the ball, the way the ball is always closer to him. This guy have that ball control. Yes, that basic things of as a footballer you must have. He had it 100%. So I like him a lot. So I even wish Chelsea can give him the chance. And as I said, it can't happen because of our midfield. So Kernan going to Leipzig, not bad for him as a player, and also not bad for Chelsea as a team. At least 35 million they can pay, or 40 million at least, or the West 25 million or 28 million. So guys, Leipzig want to sign Kenny for Javi Simon replacement, but for Javi Simon, as I said, the deal is imminent. It will happen. Yes, this is transfer, anything can happen, but Charlie, because Arsenal still monitoring this deal. That is why Chelsea want to do it quick. Even Bayern Munich, they are also monitoring. And some teams, they will just sit behind to see what you do and expose all the transfer, the negotiation. Then they come in. If they know they can come in and pay the money, they will then come in. So that is why Chelsea is working on this deal quickly like that. So guys, Kenechukwu Wemeka to RB Leipzig. Let me hear from you in the comment section. Would you like this transfer? And let's come to the most shocking one about Tosin Adarabioyo. This is the information, guys. Chelsea could be open to selling Tosin Adarabioyo this summer if they receive offers in the region of 30 million with Newcastle, West Ham, Crystal Palace, Napoli, AC Milan, Monaco among his suitors. 30 million for Tosin. I don't want to see this happen. Guys, let me hear from you about this. That Chelsea is ready to accept 30 million for Tosin. Yes, and Crystal Palace interested, West Ham and Napoli, AC Milan and Monaco. And these teams, will they even pay the 30 million? I don't see it happening. Especially Napoli, AC Milan and Monaco and Co. But for Premier League teams, for them, I think they can pay. But first of all, Chelsea selling Tosin for what? I don't understand. How? Earlier information came that Chelsea see Fofana, the hospital Fofana to be ahead of Chalobah. So for that matter, if any fee come, they will say Chalobah also. And now they are talking about Tosin. And as I said, Tosin, he is the oldest player in our team currently. Yes. And now Tosin is even playing well. Look at the Club World Cup. Yes, he wasn't bad. Even at the ending part of this season, we can see the development. Yes, now his improvement. So the time our players are improving, the time our players are now playing good football, that time we are rather selling them. No. The same as Chaloba. Chaloba has improved a lot. Tosin is improving. Yes. Now the leadership quality, I can see it. Yes, from Tosin. I can see the maturity Tosin currently. So why should we sell them? This is Chelsea. We need elite players. We need good players in our team to be able to compete. So Chelsea selling Tosin. Well, we shouldn't be surprised because this is Chelsea. And even when the transfer window opened, information came that except Cole Palmer and Casado and Cucurella, no player is considered untouchable. That Chelsea can sell any player apart from these three players, Casado, Cucurella, and Cole Palmer. So we shouldn't be surprised at the end of the day if Chelsea sell any of our centre back, because as Chelsea are talking to Hato, yes, to sign him, Ajax centre back, we are coming to him. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this transfer. Tosin Adarabioyo, 30 million. Do you think Chelsea should sell him? And this is the information for Hato from Fabrizio. Chelsea have now made official club-to-club contact with Ajax for Jorel Hato as next top priority. Hato understood to be keen on the move and already prepared to accept personal terms at Chelsea. Negotiation ongoing with very good relationship between clubs. Chelsea are pushing on a deal for Jorel Hato. He can operate as a centre back and a left back when needed. They have a good relationship with Ajax, so maybe other players can come into it, a loan or maybe a young player. And this guy also, Chelsea is pushing. Since the transfer window opened up to now, Chelsea want to sign him. And information even said that personal terms will not be an issue. He would like to join Chelsea. And indeed, currently, we need another centre back. I'm telling you, we need another centre back. Now, Badiashile is injured. Fofana is injured. We left with Chaloba, Tosin, and Liverpool. So 3 centre back. So we need another centre back to make it 4. Yes. And as I said already, next season more competitions are coming. So we need squad depth. We need squad depth in all departments in our team. For the midfield, for that one, untouchable. We don't need a midfielder again. So we have to do same to all other departments, the defense and the attacking. And the attacking, if not, maybe next season we don't see more goals from our attackers. For our attacking, if this season go or this summer go, I don't see Chelsea going to the market, yes, to bring, let me say, first 11 attacking play again. Yes, we are good to go currently. Guys, to be honest, now we have Dilap. And let's hope, as I said, next season he score. He give us goals. For João Pedro, he will score. For that one, he will score. And Jackson, if Chelsea sell him, or if Chelsea doesn't sell him, we shall see how can Jackson improve. And the wins, Estavio will be joining, yes, this summer. He will go to pre-season with Chelsea. And next season, Giovanni Quinda will also join. And Pius can also come back if he go to Strasbourg and improve. So you see this our attack. This summer should be the last major signing for our attack. I'm telling you. But for the defense, at least, let's see if Hato can, if he can give out that performance that we want. Yes, Chelsea may not even go back to sign, yes, a centre back next summer also. But let's see, because all these guys are young players. Who that is the issue with some of us, especially the defense. For the defense, they forget they have to play like experienced players. Even if they are not that experienced, they must play and show that maturity, like Thiago Silva and co. Look at the way Thiago Silva, when he was in Chelsea last season. Yes, we saw that coordination, that direction, yes, that understanding at the defensive line. So for the defensive position, we need maturity there. So let's hope, because now it is looking like our players are gelling, they are understanding the game. So let's hope. So guys, Chelsea interested, or Chelsea is now pushing to sign Hato from Ajax. As we are speaking now, they are having club-to-club talks with Ajax to see his wages, the fee, and if any latest or update come about Hato coming to Chelsea, I will let you know on this channel. So please stay on Football Lions. Yes, and Kernan Drosboro Hall, guys. Fulham interested to sign. Information came that Fulham interested to sign Kernan. Earlier information came that West Ham, now Fulham. And yes, this small Premier League team, they will want to sign Kernan, because if Kernan leaves and go to any other Premier League team, he is starting. And as I said already, no. We have to have players like Kernan as super sub. Yes, in case we are winning, want to manage the game, or in case we need more squad depth in the midfield, and even next season more competition, we have players like Kernan, yes, at the bench who will come and make an impact. So Chelsea selling Kernan, for now, I will not agree. And information came that, guys, next month Chelsea may still go back to see if they can sign as a goalkeeper. Yes, and a center back. And that center back for me, I think, is Hato. But for the goalkeeping position, before the transfer window close, we want to see something about it. It is looking like Sanchez Malams are working. Everybody forget about Sanchez. Nobody is talking about Sanchez again as the transfer window open, because maybe because Sanchez is not improving. When you look at the ending part of this season in the Premier League up to now, the Club World Cup, Sanchez has improved a lot, to be honest. But we don't know. Maybe he's trying to do that and cover the sporting director's face and the owner, so that they forget about him during this transfer window. And when the season begins, he starts again. But Chile, if we can get an upgrade to Sanchez, why not? So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about all this transfer that we discussed. And if any latest update come again, yes, because nowadays we can be shooting this video and here we go come. Yes, that also completed the signing of Javi Simon or any other player. So if any update come again about Chelsea transfers, I will update you. So please turn on your notification bell, stay on Football Lions, tell another football fan about this channel, Football Lions, and hit the like button of this video, hit the subscription button. Yes, when I see the numbers, it gives me the motivation to give you more videos on this channel. And take care, peace.